In the late 1960s, a team of researchers at AT&T Bell Labs wanted to create a new and better operating system. They needed something more powerful and flexible than the existing systems, and so in 1969, Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie, and their colleagues developed a system called Uniplexed Information and Computing Service. The original abbreviation of UNIX was later transformed into UNIX, which subsequently became a popular name worldwide. The first version of UNIX was written in assembly language, which is very close to the machine code that computers understand. However, in 1973, the team rewrote UNIX in the C programming language, which Dennis Ritchie had developed at the time. This made UNIX much easier to modify and port to different machines. In the 1970s, AT&T made UNIX available to universities at a low cost. This decision helped UNIX spread quickly through the academic world. Students and professors began using and improving it. The University of California, Berkeley became a major center for UNIX development. They created a version called Berkeley Software Distribution, BSD. By the 1980s, many companies saw the potential of UNIX for business use. AT&T and other companies started selling their own versions of UNIX. Some well-known versions include System V from AT&T and BSD. UNIX became popular in large organizations because it was powerful, reliable, and could handle many users at once. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, different companies developed their own versions of UNIX. But this caused fragmentation as each version had its own features and differences. Companies like IBM, Sun Microsystems, and HP all had their own UNIX systems. This period is sometimes what they call UNIX wars because of the competition between these different versions. To solve the fragmentation problem, the industry started to develop standards for UNIX systems. The most important standard is POSIX, Portable Operating System Interface. POSIX defines a set of common features that all UNIX systems should have. This helped different versions of UNIX to become more compatible with each other. But in 1991, a Finnish student named Linus Torvalds started working on a free and open source version of UNIX. He called it Linux. Linux used many of the ideas and standards from UNIX but was developed independently. Today, Linux is one of the most popular operating systems in the world, especially for servers and supercomputers. You may ask, UNIX is such an old operating system, is it still being used today? Well, today UNIX is still widely used, especially in large enterprises and research institutions. Modern UNIX systems include IBM's AIX, Oracle Solaris, and HP's HPUX. These systems are known for their stability, security, and ability to handle large workloads. Now, UNIX systems can be broadly classified into two main branches. The first branch is UNIX System V, which includes IBM AIX, Oracle Solaris, HPUX, and SGI IRIX. The second branch is BSD, which is Berkeley Software Distribution, and it includes FreeBSD, Darwin, that is used in combination with NextStep, Mac OS X, and iOS. So just to wrap it all up, the development of UNIX can be divided into three main stages. The first stage before the 1990s was marked by battles among various commercial UNIX systems. The second stage during the 1990s is often referred to as the Microsoft era, where Microsoft dominated the operating system market. And the third stage after the 1990s, which was during the rise of the GNU Linux in the server segment, as well as the development of Mac OS X, iOS, and Google Android. So here's the exact definition of UNIX. Well, UNIX is defined in two ways. First, it refers to a closed implementation based on historical code with Naval holding the historical status of ownership. And secondly, UNIX refers to operating systems that conform to the single UNIX specification. In March 2010, a Utah district court found that Naval had not transferred UNIX-related intellectual property to Skoll Group, confirming that Naval was the rightful owner of UNIX.